You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, former Prime Minister of Hungary. If you want to learn more Hungarian pronunciations and more confusing names from history, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So the Hungarian pronunciation first is as Imre, Imre, Imre Nagy, Imre Nagy. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Imre, Imre Nagy, Imre Nagy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.